Ever stared at negative values like they are the villains of your dataset? Well, fear not. Today, we're turning those troublemakers into heroes with simple conversion techniques. Whether it's a BS, conditional logic, or multiplication, each method has its quirks. By the end of this, you'll be handling negatives like a pro. Because when it comes to data, the only negative you need is debugging errors. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. DataStage isn't just another ETL tool, it's your data's personal trainer whipping it into shape. But every good workout needs a game plan. Today, we're tackling transformation, and trust me, it's not just about making messy data look pretty. It's about accuracy, efficiency, and keeping reports from looking like a cryptic puzzle. Negative values can be sneaky. Sometimes they make sense, like losses in finance or temperature drops, but other times they creep in through miscalculations. Before we transform them, we need to understand their origin. Otherwise, it's like trying to fix a car without knowing what's wrong. Let's get detective mode on. If negative values had a fan club, finance and sensors would be their biggest supporters. Losses, sub-zero readings, and yes, human error are common sources. Not all negatives are mistakes, but identifying which ones need fixing is key. Let's break it down and separate the accidental negatives from the legit ones. Data transformation isn't just about changing formats. It's about making data meaningful and usable. First, get to know your data flow. Then apply the right techniques, don't brute force it. Always validate integrity, because bad data leads to bad decisions. And finally, performance matters. Optimize those processes or risk a bottleneck. Let's make sure our data works for us, not against us. Think of DataStage functions as your personal toolkit. Built-in functions handle heavy lifting, so use them smartly. Parallel processing, that's your speed booster, don't let your jobs crawl. Minimize redundant operations, simplicity is key. And don't reinvent the wheel, reusable components save time and keep everything consistent. Let's make DataStage work smarter, not harder. Mistakes happen, but great error handling makes sure they don't derail the whole operation. Start with solid logging, you'll thank yourself later. Error handling routines catch issues before they explode. Debugging isn't guesswork, step through logically. And always validate output, because the worst errors are the ones you don't catch until it's too late. Theory is great, but real-world application is where the magic happens. Customer data transformations unlock better insights. Hello, smart business decisions. Automation streamlines financial reports, because who loves manual work? Large datasets demand scalability or they'll crush your system. And compliance isn't optional, keep your data processes clean and legal. Performance optimization is a game of smart resource management. Partitioning distributes workload, don't let one node do all the heavy lifting. Resource consumption matters, waste not, want not. Scheduling can prevent bottlenecks, timing is everything. And remember, tuning isn't one time, it's a continuous process for peak efficiency. To wrap up, data transformation isn't random, it needs thought and strategy. Leverage DataStage's built-in functions to work smart. Handle errors proactively, because scrambling last minute is never fun. And don't forget optimization, it keeps everything running like a well-oiled machine. Apply these practices and you'll be mastering DataStage like a pro. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.